Hello everyone, welcome to iqCode. Today I'm going to show you how to make jumping on Scratch. So first we renamed our thing and we got our perfect cat here with a K. So what we want to do is first we will go to the backdrops. Make sure that your character in your backdrops, we want to make a floor, right? So for that I'm just going to make it like grass. Our cat will touch grass unlike us. So I just make it transparent and boom, that's a perfect grass. Line your cat to up there. That's where our jumping line is going to be. So then we're just going to go to code. We're going to make it that when clicked, it is going to go to this position, -32, whatever this is, and then it's going to forever control forever if motion. I'm just going to get the Y position and set Y. Okay, now we're just going to go to control and if and operators negative, well, yeah, no, less than. Okay, if Y position is less than -75, I mean not 75, like -47. I just got that number from my other screen right now I have open. So set Y to -47. So if it like goes from down here, it's just going back up. So look, let me show you. It starts here. Whenever like we go down, as you can see, it just like teleports back. Okay, so now what we're also going to add is we're also going to add another when green flag is clicked. Events when green flag is clicked. We're going to go to variables and I'm just going to rename this variable to gravity. And we're just going to set gravity to 0. And we're going to go to control and add a forever block. We're going to add a if and the if else. If then variables, make a variable. These are going to be locked, so if you already have jumped, then it will stop you from jumping again until you fall back down. So we're just going to make it a flying variable. So if in operators equals 1, we're going to use the binary system and flying is 1. Then we're going to go to variables and set gravity to 0 in the else to 0 and change, we make this gravity just like this and change gravity by -1. Okay, so we got that. Now we're also going to add another when green flag is clicked. I'm going to go to control and add a forever, and we're going to go to my blocks and make a block, and we're going to make it fall. Okay, so we're just going to select run without screen refresh and click OK. Now we're going to move this here and we're just going to set change Y by where is it? Change Y by gravity, variables, gravity, and in here we're going to add the fall block, and now we're going to add on another one green flag is clicked, and we're going to make it that when forever if then let's see, sensing key spaces pressed, then it is going to control and repeat 5 times. And variables, change gravity by 4. Okay, now I'm going to see in here, we're going to add another thing that I'm actually going to add here. I'm going to duplicate this and put it here, and I'm going to make it that the right opposite, negative 47, less than right position, and we're just going to set flying to 1 in this case. And actually I just realized I need to make this a if and if not, so control and if then no, flying 1, and just duplicate this and make this to 0 on the bottom. And this should be it. I'm going to pause it here so you can copy the code if you did not catch up. Okay, now let's test it. We're gonna go to click green flag, and when we click space. Oh, okay. I think I forgot to press space somehow. I thought I clicked it, but as you can see in here, got the flying and the gravity just like this. As you can see when we're clicking space, uh, we're setting the flying to 1, but let's see. I think. Well, yeah, I guess we can start with this. Yes, so as you can see, you got the jumping here, and also do not forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day. Thank you. So yeah. Uh, yes, totally. Please subscribe. Please also like. I appreciate. This is where message ends. Well, bye.